Hello, and welcome to the Makerbot tutorial video for UWF. I am going to show you where to acquire various things to print for the Makerbot 3D printer, as well as how to use the Makerware software to print out things on the Makerbot itself. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the Thingiverse website to find something you want to print. On this website, people have uploaded various things to print in various categories. For this demonstration video, I've decided to use a femur. It is a rate femur. The color will be whatever color the current plastic is, so it won't necessarily be blue. It's just blue in this picture here. Once you have selected your thing to find, go to download this thing. And what you're looking for is the STL file. You also see that there are two pictured here. It's the same femur. One is it laying down, the other is it standing up. I have chosen the standing up version of this, so I'm going to click that one. And then it will save in my downloads folder. It will automatically save wherever you set your downloads to save to. It will save it as an STL file. So click save and you wait for it to finish downloading. However, I've already downloaded it before. The second thing you'll need is actually the Makerware software. On this page you'll go to the platform and select whatever platform you're using, whether it be Mac or Windows or Linux. I am currently using Windows, so I'll download Windows, and then I would click download. It would download. You then install the program. Now, I've done all of this already, and so I go into the Makerware software. You would go to File, Open, and then in here you would find where the actual STL file is and open it. I've already done that. I'll just make this big. So now we're actually in the Makerware software. This platform is the platform of the Makerbot itself, or the representation of it. The edges around here are the maximum area that the Makerbot can actually produce, so it gives you a theoretical limit. The options over here are the look, move, turn, and scale. Look allows you to rotate it around. All different directions, so you can look at it. The arrow on the front here, where my mouse is, represents the front of the Makerbot, so if you ever get lost, you just kind of look for that. The move function allows you to move the 3D object, and you can move it anywhere on here, and it will show you by how much it's moving, represented by the millimeter projections there. Turn allows you to turn the object. I'll just leave it there. Scale allows you to adjust the object if you wanted it bigger or smaller for printing purposes. The bigger the object, the longer it will take to print. The smaller the object, the shorter period of time it will take to print. There we go. Sorry, my computer is really slow. As you can see, it has the X, Y, and Z coordinates. The X is the general length, the Y is the width, and then the Z is the height. And if you keep that clicked, if you change one of these measurements, it will change all of them. Or you can just change the scale to whatever percentage you want. Like if you wanted it to be half size, 50%, enter, and bam, it's a new size. Remember, when you're done with any of these three, the move, turn, or scale, and you want to go back to, you want to click and drag to look around, you have to first select look. Otherwise, you'll still be on that function. that you are currently on, and you could totally goof up your thing by either dragging the scale around or changing its location on it. So once we're done with that, we will then save this object. And what you want to do is it will automatically, hopefully, save to the whatever slot you have your SD card in, and it'll save it as a .thing, and that's what the Makerbot actually reads, are the .things. So the Makerware software changes the file type from the STL to the thing type. Once you're done with that, you can then also hit Make. So you want to export a file for the replicator 2, which is what we have. And the three qualities are low, medium, and high. A low quality print will print a lot faster, but it will have some deformities on it. A medium quality has a medium run speed and some deformities. A high quality object is the slowest to make, however it is the best looking. So those are the things you have to worry with. Wraps and supports are what hold the object together or give it the plastic area to build off of if it is a object that has overhangs. This object does not have any true overhangs. It is able to build off of itself. So we are going to save this as a low quality for speed purposes, and then we export the file. We are going to export it to the, not my things. Oh, that's currently where it's saving to. I'm using Vista for this, so I have to go all the way back to computer, OU, computer, go down to the SD card, and then save it here. Because this file name is long, it can only show roughly 10 characters on the screen. It changes it, it gives you this warning to say that it's long, but that's fine for right now. Just click Save. I recommend putting your initials at the front of it or a quick little synopsis, like 3 or 4 letters that you can easily remember. Slicing verifying is it putting it into the various layers so it can actually print itself. And now it's finishing up and finished. Hooray!